That's true. A lot of these guys, and these two specifically, did a lot of work in the community here, so they're not turning their back on Seattle, but their careers, it would appear, are going to be somewhere else. The chance, Adam, of course, that Bobby Wagner comes back, but we'll wait and see. As for the weather, it's purple behind you. Is that good or bad?
Yeah, no, well, that was bad this morning because it was cold. I mean, bitterly cold. The temperature in Olympia down to 22. That was only a degree off of what the daily record low was. But you can see a lot of 20 showing up on the map. 30 at Everett. We kept a few clouds up there, so relatively warmer than the rest of the locations that you see showing up. Well, we have warmed up nicely this afternoon. And again, we were talking about it earlier in the show. The theme is going to be more this filtered sunshine as we go throughout the day. Olympia, yeah, we're trying to warm up right now under that filtered sunshine. Clouds a little thicker up this way across Hurricane Ridge over the Olympics. We're going to keep the clouds pretty thick too, especially as we go into the day tomorrow. And we'll see the clouds thicken closer to Everett. Right now, noticing some of that filtered sunshine. And as we go on into the latter part of the day, we're going to see that as the clouds thicken, temperatures don't warm up quite as much, but it will also keep numbers from dropping as low as we head into tomorrow morning. But still, a nice afternoon to get out there if you want to try to get out for an afternoon lunch date. We're at 44 degrees. We see that sunshine in place, and winds have been relatively lighter than they were yesterday, only at 7 miles per hour now. 44 in Tacoma, current temperature in Renton at 46. We're at 43 in Mount Vernon, 42 in Bellingham, closer to more the mid and upper 50s, closer to the coast. So we have the clouds moving on in, and that's all coming out ahead of the rain that we're going to expect heading into the weekend. High pressure slowly but surely going to head on out of here. And once these clouds really start to thicken and this system arrives, we'll see initially it looks like a band of rain that will be closer to more the northern Olympic Peninsula coast and also here closer to the Canadian border. Afterwards, though, that will start to sink southward. Here we are tonight first, about 5:30. We're seeing some of the clouds thickening up. Then into the day tomorrow, we start to see some of those showers starting to scoot, it looks like, across some of our northern locations here around Skagit and Whatcom counties, maybe even as far south as Everett. That won't be the main band of precipitation. That's going to move on out of here. Then we'll go into the latter part of Friday. This is 2:30 into the afternoon. Dry, maybe even a few sun breaks on into Friday night. We start to see some of those showers arriving, and that's when it starts to hit the coast right around 8 to 9 p.m. A little farther inland is going to take a little while after midnight and then heading into Saturday morning. And then it takes its time to head southward, so increasing chances of rain heading into Saturday. And then by Saturday night, that's when we expect a lot of that widespread rain to be in place. Amounts not looking to be a lot, at least through Saturday night. It looks like between 1/3 of an inch to an inch. And then as far as some of the snow, a lot of the resorts are going to hold off until Sunday, because here going into late Saturday night around midnight, you see it's closer to a foot at Mount Baker, while other spots farther south are going to be up around 2 to 4 inches. But we keep the trend going as far as the active weather. That'll be around Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and next Wednesday. All rain for the lowlands with highs in the low 50s, but some good snow on the way for the mountains.